And welcome, I'm Solo, and this is ZN Gaming. In this video, I'll be going over how to make someone a mod in Twitch chat. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. To get started, the first thing we're going to need to do is jump over to Twitch and log in. Now, there is more than one way to make someone a mod, and there is also more than one place that you can make someone a mod. A good example of this here is if you have Stream Elements, you can make someone a mod in there, or a super mod, or an editor within the Stream Elements as well. But for this here example, I'll just be covering how to make someone a mod for Twitch chat. The first way I'll be covering to make someone mod is to go and actually type /mod and their name in chat. To go to the chat, we're just going to jump up here, we're going to click on our icon, and we're going to go to our channel. This is the best chat to make any changes in or to do anything in, so we're just going to open it up here and try it out. You can do /mod or /mods to see who is mod. So you can do /mod with an S to see how many mods and to see who is mod of the channel, and /mod space their name. As you can see, it says ZNSBot is already a moderator of this here channel. If they're not a mod, it would instantly add them as a mod. Now that's as simple as it is. You can do /mod or /onmod. As you type them in, it will come up with a list of available commands. You can use any of them that come up. So onmod and username is going to onmod somebody that you already modded. This is usually the most simple and most basic way. The other way to do this is to go to the dashboard. So you can go up here to the right, click on your icon, and we're going to go to the creator dashboard. After you're in the dashboard, you can go over here to the left hand side, go down here and click on community. When community opens up, it's going to have a role manager. Once you click on role manager, it's just going to tell you everything you have for VIPs, mods, or editors. So anyone that you have set as an editor, moderator, or a VIP should show up here. And to add one, it's just as simple as clicking add, typing in their name. Once you have somebody picked out that you want to add, you'll be able to go through this here. Once you click their name, you're going to have moderator, VIP, artist, or editor. So you'll just be able to go through and click anything that you want in here. Like I said, this is for moderator. You can make them a moderator. For this example, we're just going to click it as mod and click save. This is as simple as it is. You can add other roles. You can add multiple ones, but you can't add a VIP and a moderator at the same time. So it has to be one or the other, but you can add the artist or the editor at any other given time. So for now, we're just going to use the moderator and click save. Now we see that ZR was added as a moderator in the list, and that's as simple as it is. And the same as removing it, you just need to click the negative sign beside it. By clicking the negative, it goes away. And to add another one, you can just click a positive, click the role, and it's as easy as that. Once they're already added, to add or remove them. I find it super easy to make somebody a mod this your way, and super easy to manage and see other VIPs and mods that you have. So if you haven't seen somebody around in a long time, you can go in here and easily remove them, or just clean up the VIPs and the moderators that you have. But that's as easy as it is to make someone a mod. If you would like an overview of the mod settings for Stream Elements, definitely get subscribed so you don't miss it. But that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!